We have two models that you can choose from. This right here is the MX or handheld model. This here is the XT or pole mountable or professional model as we call it. So, what is the difference between the two models? The MX is a lighter unit. You can only use it handheld. The XT is a more rugged professional model, and here are some of the differences. This model here, the MX, has a handle. It's fixed. The XT here has a swivel handle. So it's got a little catch here. I push it up to release. It has a swivel handle, which I can move in various directions. So I can use it to paint up against the ceiling. I can use it to paint down against baseboards. I can use it to paint along the right side of a wall, and I can spin it over. And I can also paint up against the left side of the trim using this tool. It is threaded. It has standard Acme threads, so that means that I can take the pole that comes with it or any standard paint pole that's available in Home Depot, Lowe's, or your favorite paint store, and I can then proceed to pole mount it. So by making it pole mountable, I can now use this tool, the XT, up against the ceiling to paint the ceiling line without having to get up and down on a ladder. So huge time savings. The MX was primarily designed for the homeowner market. The XT was primarily designed for the contractor market. So this tab here along the side of the MX is what keeps paint off of the wall. On the MX, this is a plastic shield. After you do a couple houses, this is actually going to wear down. On the XT, on the other hand, we actually have wheels here and here. So when you're rolling back and forth, you're not abrading a surface or wearing it down like we are here, but it's just got wheels that are spinning, so this shield is going to last a lot longer. The other difference here is that this bottom edge of the shield here on the MX is also going to wear over time. Again, you can do at least 10,000 square feet of house with the MX. If you're a professional painter and you're doing house after house after house, what we've done is we've taken the bottom of the shield and we've replaced it with a spring-loaded metal shield, which is going to make it last longer.